In this video, we listed the 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ProForm Carbon Treadmill. The ProForm Carbon TLX is a high-quality treadmill designed for adults seeking an effective workout solution. With dimensions of 74-inch dx35, wx59, and weighing 249 pounds, this treadmill features a sturdy alloy steel frame and can support a maximum weight of 350 pounds. It boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a 12% incline, making it suitable for various workout intensities. The treadmill is equipped with advanced features such as a built-in speaker, ProShocks cushioning for comfort, and IFIT compatibility, allowing users to access expert-led workouts and adjust settings hands-free via Bluetooth. The 7-inch LCD display provides live feedback on speed, distance, and calories burned, while quick speed and quick incline controls facilitate easy adjustments. Its foldable design with transport wheels ensures convenient storage, and it comes with a robust 10-year warranty on the frame and a 1-year guarantee on parts and labor. The ProForm Carbon TLX has received favorable reviews, holding a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, and is a top choice for those looking to enhance their fitness routines at home. Number 2. BowFlex Treadmill Series. The BowFlex BXT8J treadmill is a high-performance exercise machine designed for serious fitness enthusiasts, featuring a robust metal frame and a sleek black finish. It measures 78 inches in depth, 37.6 inches in width, and 62.8 inches in height, making it a substantial addition to any home gym while still being portable. With a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour, a 1.9 horsepower motor, and an incline capability of up to 15%, this treadmill is perfect for a range of cardio workouts, including hill training. It comes equipped with an LCD display, offering 26 different workout programs, real-time coaching via the JRNY app, and includes convenient features like a heart rate chest strap. Designed for adults, it supports a maximum weight of 300 pounds and includes a 60-inch long and 20-inch wide running deck. Although assembly is required, it offers a folded size for easy storage. The BXT8J is backed by a comprehensive warranty covering parts for 3 years, the frame and motor for 10 years, and 1 year for labor, making it a trustworthy option for fitness training. Despite its capabilities, it currently holds a customer rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars, and was first available on August 11, 2022. Number 3. Horizon Fitness Treadmill. The Horizon Fitness Treadmill is a high-performance exercise machine designed for commercial use, featuring a sleek black design and built with sturdy aluminum and plastic materials. Measuring 76 inches long, 37 inches wide, and 63 inches high, it has a weight capacity of 350 pounds and includes an expansive 22x 60-inch running surface equipped with 3-zone variable response cushioning for optimal support during workouts. Users can enjoy a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and adjustable incline levels ranging from 0 to 15%, facilitated by quick dial controls for seamless transitions between intervals. The treadmill supports device connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing users to stream fitness classes, music, and movies without the need for a subscription, while an integrated device rest and a rapid charge USB port keep gadgets powered throughout sessions. The machine also boasts multiple program options, responsive drive system, and added conveniences like integrated Bluetooth speakers, a water bottle holder, a fan, and easy foldability for straightforward storage, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an engaging and effective home workout experience. Number 4. Echelon Stride Treadmill. The Echelon Stride Sport 10 is a high-performance, user-friendly treadmill designed for running, walking, and jogging, featuring a sleek black design and a touch screen for easy navigation. Weighing 80 kilograms and constructed with durable alloy steel, this foldable treadmill offers a running path of 20 inches by 55 inches, providing a comfortable air-cushioned deck that minimizes shock during workouts. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds and an impressive speed capability of up to 12 miles per hour, it includes an auto incline feature of up to 10%. Additional conveniences such as Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging, handrail heart rate sensors, large side steps, and an innovative auto-fold mechanism make it ideal for home use, while built-in wheels facilitate easy storage in just 10 inches of space. This treadmill is specifically engineered to enhance accessibility and promote heart-pumping workouts, making it a perfect addition to any fitness routine. Number 5. Life Fitness Treadmill. The Life Fitness Treadmill, designed in a sleek gray finish, combines functionality and modern technology within its compact dimensions of 78.5-inch dx 34.5 wx 58.5h and a sturdy weight of 290 pounds. Constructed from durable aluminum, it can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour and supports walking, jogging, and running, making it suitable for adults seeking an effective workout. A standout feature is the patented FlexDeck shock absorption system, which minimizes impact on knees and joints, reducing injury risk compared to outdoor running. Enhanced by heart rate monitoring through contact sensors and wireless telemetry, users can quickly access personalized workout settings. The treadmill also boasts a unique soft drop and roll-away feature for easy storage and mobility, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for syncing with fitness apps. Its dual-zone design includes an entertainment zone for device storage at eye level and a workout zone with an intuitive control panel, ensuring a comprehensive and engaging fitness experience.